Hey everyone, the Acer Aspire S32 all-in-one computer was released into retail in April of 2024. It's a strong workstation that can easily manage all of your daily responsibilities. This device has an amazing configuration, a strong processor, lots of memory, and a large display. See everything this all-in-one has to offer by delving into specifics. The Acer Aspire S32's body is almost entirely composed of polished metal, which gives it a high-end appearance and a satisfying tactile sensation. A menu control button with a display, an SD card reader, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and a combined 3.5mm headphone socket are located on the left side of the stand. Two USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and a power button are located on the right side, making it simple to attach more devices. The monoblock instantly enters display mode when it is attached to the HDMI input, enabling it to be used as an external monitor. The Kensington lock on the base is back to deterrence theft, while the grille on the front side allows for the intake of chilly air. Speakers, a subwoofer, and rubberized legs are located in the base's lower section for stability. On the front of the stand is a fingerprint scanner as well. The attached touchpad is 210 by 101 by 10mm in dimension, weighs 263 grams, and features a magnetic mount. Like a laptop, the lower portion serves as the left and right mouse buttons. Due to its high-performance processor and ample RAM, the Acer Aspire S32 can easily handle demanding tasks. Whether engaging in video conferences, working on intricate tasks, or viewing multimedia, this monoblock offers a seamless and effective experience. With a 31.5-inch display that has a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, the monoblock is impressive. Its IPS panel boasts 95% DCI-P3 color coverage, wide viewing angles. This produces an image that is clear and detailed, which makes it perfect for high-resolution applications like web creation, programming, and handling enormous amounts of data. With a refresh rate of 75 Hz. With a tilt angle adjustment range of -10 degrees to 20 degrees, the screen is comfortable to watch and use. With two 16 gigs DDR4 modules from SK Hynix that operate at a frequency of 3200 MHz, the monoblock has 32 gigs of RAM, which is sufficient for multitasking without lag. The 1TB Micron 2450 SSD that comes with it operates in accordance with the PCIe 4.0 NVMe standard, guaranteeing quick access to data and excellent system performance. With its Wi-Fi 6E technology, which operates at 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands, the Acer Aspire S32 offers amazing data transfer speeds. Moreover, Bluetooth 5.3 is supported, guaranteeing smooth communication with other devices. High performance and rapid program loading times are provided by the Acer Aspire S32's potent processor, generous RAM, and speedy SSD. It is effective and cozy for extended usage, thanks to its low power consumption and low noise levels. An all-in-one computer that is strong, adaptable, and fashionable is the Acer Aspire S32. For those looking for a high-performing and useful workstation, this is ideal. Please hit the like button below the video if you enjoyed this test. Please feel free to leave your comments below. I appreciate you viewing, and may God bless you and have a great day.